And Kenya Breweries could save up to 112 million shillings annually in the cost of glass bottles. This comes as the company embarks on a drive to return used spirit bottles in an effort that the company says will help to reduce its carbon footprint and help make their operation sustainable. As Jimmy Mbogo now reports, the move has seen the local brewer collect over 17 million bottles in the past 8 months.
Kenya Breweries Limited spends over 1.6 billion shillings on its glass input annually to purchase over 80 million spirit bottles, with 70% of the bottles being used to package 250 milliliter spirits. However, the company could soon see a reduction in the input cost as it pushes for the return of the spirit bottles after use through a campaign. Now, the company has so far collected over 17 million bottles in the last 8 months. According to KBL, however, the cost saved from the returned bottles is shared throughout the value chain.
The cost of buying a new glass is roughly around 20 shillings. What Rudisha is doing is trying to get the value chain benefiting from the project so that we can also get buying, and they can also see the part of the sustainability and why we need to be part of that project. So if we break it down, we have sort of given different margins to different people. The retailer will make something. Every time they return, we compensate them with a bottle of triple S, which they sell to the consumers and make money. The distributors, our agency partners, they also make their share.
Further, the company has created over 500 new jobs in the value chain and is set to increase its investment in the rewashing equipment to increase its output. At the same time, the company knows that the campaign will help in combating illicit brews by mopping up all the genuine bottles that have been used previously to repackage illicit brews.
The biggest component for illicit brewers is glass and ethanol. So if we get the government now driving regulation around ethanol availability, then the other biggest challenge becomes glass. So if you're able to give them glass, which is the raw material to package, then you are empowering them. So we are using Rudisha to remove the glass for the circularity so that they don't have that component of using to package the product for our consumers.
KBL says although it is collecting other glass bottles of higher volume, it is yet to start using them for repackaging, noting that the intention is to achieve 100% recycling and reduce waste.
You have seen we are cleaning and reusing the 250 ml at a huge scale compared to just cutting trees. That's why you can see it's more weighted to 250, but the long-term plan is actually to clean and reuse all the formats, all the way from 250 to 1 liter, but you have to continue investing in the cleaning capability we have at the site.
Jimmy Mbogo, Citizen TV, Nairobi.
We'll know